Hi guys, this is Umu and welcome back to Kadirecipes. In this video, I will show you a simple recipe for coconut donut. These are very simple to make but so yummy. So for the ingredient list and exact measurements, please check the description box below. I'm going to start with melting the butter. And once done, I will mix that with my coconut milk. Then I will break one egg and add to that mixture. Mix that well and set aside. Now I'm going to sift my flour to remove all the lumps. And guys, if you love my recipes, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now for more delicious African recipes. Now I'm going to add in my active dry yeast. I will also add the sugar, and with clean hands I will mix all this together. I will also add a pinch of salt. Then I will slowly add the liquid to the flour mixture and mix that well. Mix until you can form a dough. Then sprinkle a little bit of flour on the table and knead the dough until soft. When your dough is soft, grease a bowl and add in the dough and let it rise for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, divide the dough into small balls. Add some flour in your table to prevent the dough from sticking to the table. Now roll out your dough and cut it into your desired shape. You can make some squares, round, triangle, or any shape you like. Once done, heat the oil on medium heat and fry your donut until brown. When it's ready, remove from the oil and serve hot. Just try this recipe, guys, and all your family will love it. Trust me. So thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.